All right, let's dive into a topic that's way more impactful than most people give it credit for. We often underestimate the profound connection between what we consume and how we feel, both mentally and physically. I'm talking about what you eat and how it can totally change your mood, your mental sharpness, and your overall zest for life. It's not just about calories, it's about the quality of those calories and the nutrients they provide. I know you've heard the saying, "You are what you eat." It's a catchy phrase, but it holds a lot of truth. But seriously, your plate can be your best mood booster. It's a powerful tool that you can use to influence your emotions, your cognitive function, and your general well-being. So, if you want a happier brain and body, a more vibrant you, here's how you do it, step by step. We're going to break down some simple, actionable strategies that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Step 1. Power up your brain with omega-3s. These essential fatty acids are crucial for brain health and function. I'm talking about salmon, a fantastic source of omega-3s, walnuts, another great option, especially for plant-based eaters. Chia seeds, tiny but mighty, packed with omega-3s and fiber. The real brain food. Omega-3 fatty acids are the building blocks of brain cells. These guys help keep your mind sharp, your memory crisp, and they actually support a happier mood by influencing neurotransmitter function. Try to fit them into your meals a few times a week. Aim for at least 2 to 3 servings of omega-3 rich foods per week to reap the benefits. Next up, let's fight stress with some tasty heroes. We all experience stress, but certain foods can help our bodies cope more effectively. Blueberries? These little berries are bursting with antioxidants. And dark chocolate, a delicious treat with surprising health benefits. Yes, you heard me, chocolate, are loaded with antioxidants, which are compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by stress. These help your body deal with stress and can even lift your spirits by stimulating the release of endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in your brain. Toss a handful of blueberries into your breakfast to kickstart your day with a dose of antioxidants, or grab a square of dark chocolate as an afternoon pick-me-up. Just make sure it's dark chocolate with a high cocoa content, 70% or higher, to maximize the antioxidant benefits. Now don't sleep on your gut. A happy gut means a happier you. The gut-brain connection is a real thing, and it plays a significant role in your mental and emotional well-being. Add in some probiotic-rich yogurt or kefir. These fermented foods are packed with beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome. These good bacteria support digestion, boost your immune system, and even talk to your brain, literally through the vagus nerve. So spoon up some yogurt for a snack or blend it into a smoothie. It's a simple and delicious way to nourish your gut and support your overall well-being. Here's the big one. Ditch those processed foods. This is perhaps the most important step you can take for your brain and body. They might be easy and convenient, but they're packed with sugars and weird fats that can wreak havoc on your system, that drain your energy and fog your thinking, leaving you feeling sluggish and unmotivated. Instead, focus on balanced meals that provide your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. I'm talking protein, fiber, and healthy fats at every meal. This trifecta is essential for sustained energy, stable blood sugar, and optimal brain function. Think grilled chicken with quinoa and veggies, a classic combination that provides all the essential nutrients, or a chickpea salad with avocado, a delicious and satisfying vegetarian option. This combo keeps your blood sugar steady, your energy stable, and your mind sharp all day long, preventing those dreaded energy crashes. Remember, your plate isn't just fuel, it's so much more than that. It's your secret weapon for feeling good, thinking clearly, and staying positive. It's an investment in your long-term health and happiness. So what's your favorite feel-good food? What healthy choices make you feel your best? I'd love to know. Drop it in the comments below and let's swap some ideas. Sharing our experiences can inspire and motivate others on their own health journeys. If you're ready to take control of your health, start with these simple changes. Even small, incremental changes can make a big difference over time. Your brain and your body will thank you for nourishing them with wholesome, nutritious foods. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember to subscribe for more tips on how to live a healthier and happier life.